How to add an Instagram highlight. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can add an Instagram highlight. So for this I will be demonstrating this using an Android device and you can follow up using the same. So the first thing that we'll be going to do is simply launch the Instagram application, which we can do so by tapping onto the app icon like this. And now once the Instagram application has been successfully launched, we will be clicking onto the profile icon or our profile picture over the bottom right corner. So now once you will do this, it will show you the profile page, and in the profile page you will see this plus icon right here at the top. So simply click onto this and from here choose the last option, that is highlight. Once you click onto this highlight option, you can see that currently it is not showing me any stories as I do not have any stories in my archive. But in your case, if you have any stories, you can simply select them and then name that particular highlight, and your highlight will be successfully created. So that's how easily you can create highlights in Instagram. That was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.